Now, the next question, that is the seventh one. A Dorje has a few bottles of soft drinks in his restaurant, but unfortunately, these are not labeled. So, he has to serve the drinks on the demands of customers. One customer wants acidic drink, another wants basic, and third one wants the neutral drink. So how will the Dorje decide which drink is to be served to whom? Means the question is that Dorje have the three kinds of bottles, that is acidic, basic and neutral, but he doesn't know which one is acidic, basic or neutral. So on the basis of the customer's demand, he wants to give them the acidic, basic and neutral one. So how he will give them? So the answer is that all of you know that what he will do, he will taste the that all the solution with the litmus paper. Okay, Dorje can decide. Answer is Dorje can decide with the help of litmus paper. First test, if the drink which will turns a red litmus blue, it will be basic. Means when the litmus paper will turns into blue color, that means the solution is basic solution. Okay. If the drink turns a blue litmus to red, it will be acidic. Means suppose if he will dip the turmeric paper, sorry not turmeric, litmus paper in that solution, and if the blue litmus will turn into red one, so क्या होगा अगर red litmus में change हो गया तो that means our solution is which? Acidic solution. And if suppose third one, the drink which will not affect the both red and blue litmus, that means it will be neutral. अगर कोई ड्रिंक के ऊपर ड्रिंक के मतलब डिप करने के बाद अगर कोई भी इफेक्ट नहीं आया, दैट मीन्स व्हाट? दैट ड्रिंक इज विच? दैट इज द न्यूट्रल वन. Okay, so this is the answer of seventh question. Now the next question, that is the question number 8. Explain why. So here 3 sentences are given and we have to write its explanation. Okay, what is the first one? The antacids tablet is taken when you are suffered from an acidity. Why we take antacids tablets? Because you know very well, when our stomach the level of acid is increased, that time we take the antacids tablets. Okay, so therefore answer is we take the antacids such as milk of magnesia to neutralize the excessive acid विच रिलीज इन द स्टमक. जब हमारे स्टमक में एसिड क्वांटिटी रिलीज ज़्यादा एक्सेसिव हो जाती है, सो दैट टाइम वी शुड टेक द base. Okay, second one, B, calamine solution is applied on the skin when ants bite. Why we apply the calamine solution on the skin? जब हमें एंट बाइट करते तो हम उस पर कैलामाइन सोल्यूशन क्यों अप्लाई करते हैं? बिकॉज द एंट इंजेक्ट्स एन एसिडिक फॉर्म, एसिडिक लिक्विड, मीन्स दैट इज द फॉर्मिक एसिड. उसको कौन सा एसिड कहते हैं? फॉर्मिक एसिड कहते हैं. इनटू द स्किन एंड ऑन दैट बाइटिंग विच कॉजेज द इन्फ्लेमेशंस to the skin. So therefore what we apply the calamine solution. Okay, now third one, factory waste is neutralized before disposing it into the water bodies. So what is the reason is that because the wastes of factories contains acid. All of you know that जो भी फैक्ट्री वेस्ट होते हैं उसमें क्या कंटेंट रहते हैं? इट कंटेन्स एसिडिक. उसे ओके एसिड्स होते हैं. इफ़ सपोज हम ऐसे ही वो एसिड्स को डिस्पोज करेंगे तो व्हाट विल हैपन? इफ़ ऑल द एसिड्स आर डिस्पोज ऑफ डायरेक्टली इनटू द वाटर बॉडी, सो दिस एसिड विल हार्म द ऑर्गेनिजम्स विच आर प्रेजेंट इन वाटर. जो भी एक्वेटिक एनिमल्स हैं उनको हार्म कॉज होगा. एंड सो therefore we factory wastage are neutralized by adding the basic substance. उसको क्या करना पड़ता है? पहले न्यूट्रलाइज करना पड़ता है. ओके, हाउ? by adding the basic substance. So basic substance अगर एसिडिक में ऐड हो जाएंगे तो what will happen? that water will become neutralized. Okay, so this is the answer of question 8. Now the next 9th one question. The 3 liquids are given to you. One is hydrochloric acid, another one is sodium hydroxide, and third one is sugar solution. So how will you identify them? And what you have given which indicator? You have only one indicator, that is the turmeric indicator. So how we can identify the substances? Either it is acidic, basic or neutral. So फर्स्ट द आंसर इज द नेम ऑफ द सब्सटेंस इफेक्ट ऑन टर्मरिक इंडिकेटर. ओके, हम अब उसके इफेक्ट्स लिखेंगे. द फर्स्ट वन, हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड. इन दैट हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड योर turmeric indicator means yellow will change, it will does not have any kind of change, means it remains yellow only. Okay, no change on acid, because all of you know that turmeric paper in the acid and in neutral it doesn't gives any change, but in base it gives red color. Okay, so now second, sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is a base, so that turmeric paper means yellow color will change into red. Okay, and in third again sugar solution, so it doesn't show any kind of change because it's a neutral. So what we have observed from this answer, we have observed that turmeric paper or turmeric indicator in acid or neutral doesn't show any change, but in base it gives red color. Understood? Now the next question, that is the 10th one. So what is the 10th question? Blue litmus paper is dipped in solution and it remains blue only. So what is the nature of the solution and explain. So here we have to write that if we have dipped that litmus paper and it remains blue, that means we have to write its nature of that solution. उसको डीप करने के बाद भी वो ब्लू कलर का ही था, तो वो कौन से नेचर का सॉल्यूशन होगा, एंड वी हैव टू राइट इट्स एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑल्सो. सो देयर आर टू रीजन्स why, because our indicator paper is not changed. The first reason is that it can be identified on the basis of the following observation. First one, the basic change. All of you know in base only our paper is changed into blue. अगर बेस सब्सटेंस होता है तो लिटमस पेपर क्या कलर चेंज करता है, रेड टू ब्लू, और अगर ब्लू लिटमस पेपर है तो इट रिमेन्स ओनली ब्लू. ओके, so base change the color of litmus paper to blue, and as the color of blue litmus paper is not affected, that means the solution is basic. अगर हमारे blue litmus पे कोई इफेक्ट नहीं हुआ, that means वो solution कौन सा है, it is a basic solution. Okay, and another possibility is that if the solution is neutral, then only even the color of litmus paper will not change. अगर neutral solution है then क्या होगा, फिर भी हमारा indicator change color नहीं करेगा. That means there are two possibility, either it is basic or it will be neutral also. Okay, so this is the answer of 10th question. Understood? Now the next question, that is 11. Here there are four statements are given and we have to write that, means we have to choose its one answer. Okay, first one, both the acids and bases change the color of all the indicators. Yes, in acid and bases change the color of indicators, so its first statement is true. So we don't have to write it's true or not, but we have to just choose that following options. Okay, second, B1, if an indicator gives a color change with an acid, it does not give change with base. It's not like that. अगर acid में color change होता है तो ऐसा नहीं कि in base it will not give the color, because in acid also change the color and base also change the color. Okay, so it's not correct statement. C, if an indicator change color with base, that means it does not change in color with acid, again it is wrong answer. It's not like if in base it will show the color change, in acid it does not show. So this is also again wrong statement. So only one A is correct. Okay, now last D, change of color in an acid and in base, it depends on the type of indicator. So which so here means the this is true statement, because whatever the color change of the acid and base, whatever the color change is depends on only the type of indicator, means which indicator we are using, either we are using litmus or we are using China rose or we are using any phenolphthalein and all. So which indicator we are using, so that depends on that indicator the color is changes depends. Okay, so out of these four statements, which of these statements are correct? So what we have seen, first statement was correct and the D, the last statement was correct. So A and D, this answer, this option means second option A and D option is correct, other ones are wrong. Okay, Did you understand what its meaning? In all four the statements, which statements are correct or not, that we have to write. So the correct statements are first and last, means A and D. That means the second option, A and D. Okay. Thank you. Students, we have completed the question answers of this fifth chapter, acid, base and salts. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to solve the exercise of this chapter in book only, but all the question answers you have to complete in your fair copy. Okay. Thank you.